to place myself entirely at the service of the Church's missionary activity and the sanctification of priests. By a life of faith-inspired contemplation and grateful adoration, of steadfast prayer and selfless service, I want to assist in upbuilding and extending the Church for your glory. Impelled by the love poured into my heart, by the Holy Spirit, and trusting in His helping grace, I joyfully answer this call to follow your Son in the evangelical counsels. I, Sister Mary Caris, Evangelina Siskar Sebrel, vow anew to you, Holy Triune God, before the sisters here present, chastity, poverty, and obedience, according to the constitutions of the Congregation of the Sister Servants of the Holy Spirit of Perpetual Adoration. By my striving for perfect love, as a loyal member of the congregation, may I become a sign of your own goodness and kindness. May the holiness which I received in baptism develop and be